Today I'm going to be reviewing Autallgee's 2-pack Samson watch charger. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. You're going to get 2 of them. This is what it looks like up close. It does come with a CN. These are also available with a USB-A strong magnet with built-in protection, so it's not going to overcharge your watch. Now, this is good for most Samson watches from 3 until 8, but you're going to want to double check that it fits it. It definitely will not work with the Galaxy Gear S or the Fit 1. Now, these are 3.3 inches long. The wire is just the normal rubber wire. Strong magnet for your watch. I did have my wife try this last night because I don't have a Samson watch, and it was fast. She said it was much faster actually than the one that comes with the watch, so it was very nice. And the best part is that this is a #1 seller on Amazon. What does that mean? That means people are buying it. It's #1 in this category. It's got 4.5 stars, over 1,500 reviews, and last month 500 plus of these were sold. People are liking them. People are keeping them. So if you're looking for a charger, looking for a fast charger for your Samson watch, this is the way to go. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.